What I've done here is I've mounted a Harbor Freight 2,500 pound winch to the front part of the frame. On the back side of the frame, I put 2 pieces of angle iron and ran a bolt from the winch to the back to the angle iron. In between the bolts, so it won't bend the angle iron or the winch bracket, I put spacers so it just fits snug. As you can see, it's plenty of room, and you can see the back side, you can see the angle iron. Now on the front, it will work with the factory bumper, but I replaced it so I can use, this is called a rock front bumper. And as you notice, the front part's got mesh on it. Well, I just cut the mesh out just so you can pull the cable through onto the rollers. It's remote control, there's no wire, so you just keep it in your pocket or somewhere else. Works pretty good so far.